Welcome to Anil TV Education. Today we will discuss the 10th class second unit Wits and Humor. In that second part, the Dear Department 2. So here it was written by Wilma Santley. So here the characteristics. So Mr. Alma Sclatter, Mrs. Elizabeth Jordan. So these two are the sister. Amelia Sclatter or Elizabeth Jordan are the sisters. So Henry Sclatter, Ben Jordan. So here son-in-law are husbands of Amelia and Elizabeth. So here Victoria Sclatter. So here granddaughter or Amelia's daughter. So Bell Mary Weather. So he is the father of Alma Sclatter and Elizabeth Jordan. So here John Sclatter. So in this we will know that who is the John Sclatter. So here let us come to the lesson. Abel, what's the matter with little Vicky? He seems bent and Mr. Jordan. Hello, what brings you here? How's yourself, Ben? Abel thrust his hand at Ben, who skips back smartly and retreated with Mr. Jordan to be a safe distance below the sofa. So here his father is asking, so what is the sudden surprise? So here the Ben Jordan and Elizabeth Jordan, they came to their father's home. So what is the reason why you came here? So his father is asking. Mrs. Sclatter approaching Bell gingerly. Father, is that you? She spoke him with her hand to see if he is solid. So here Mr. Sclatter. So she is touching his father's body, whether he is his father or not. Abel, of course, it's me. Don't do that, Amelia. What the evil do you mean by this? Tomfurley, foolish. So here I am your father. Again, why you are asking such questions? Why you are touching? So are you thinking me as a devil? Mr. Jordan, you looked us by surprises, father. Are you keeping quite well? So here he is saying that you are looking me as a surprise. So are you keeping quite well? So are you maintaining silence? Abel, hey what, Mr. Jordan, are you quite well? So here Mr. Jordan is asking, are you healthy? Are you okay? So here at the time here Abel is saying that I am fine and good in health. Abel, hey, I am all right enough, but for a bit of headache. Looking at Amelia, what Dunkins did I do with my new slippers? So here the Abel is searching, saying that I am fine, I am suffering from little bit headache, so I am here safe. And he is asking that what is the Duckins? Duckins means surprise. Where are my slippers? New slippers. Mr. Sclatter, aren't they by hate the father? So here the where they have fired the place. Abel, I did not see them observing Henry trying to remove the slippers. Why you have got him on Henry? So here Mr. Sclatter has replaced his father's slippers and he was given to Henry to wear it. So at the time his father is asking for the slippers. So at that time Henry removed his father's new slipper and he gave to Sclatter. So here Sclatter, I told him to put them on, they scratched them. They were that new and hard now, Henry. Mr. Sclatter snatches the slipper from the Henry and gave them to Abel, who puts them on and sit in the armchair. So here Mr. Sclatter Mrs. Sclatter said that, sir, you said no, dear, these are the new slippers, so it makes you problem in stitching them. So that's why he snatches the slippers from Henry and gives to Abel. So he kept aside and he sat in a sofa armchair. So here Mr. Jordan to Ben, well, I don't call the delicate stepping into the dead man's shoes in such haste. So here Mr. Jordan is saying that, so I did not thought that the slippers belongs to a dead man's. Victoria ran across to Bell and sitting on the floor at his pace. So here Victoria is sitting, he is near his grandfather's father, near on the floor. She is sitting near to at his feet, near on the floor. Victoria, oh grandpa, I am so glad you are not dead. So he is saying that, Victoria, I am very happy that you are alive. Mr. Sclatter, hold your tongue, Victoria. So here Sclatter is scolding to his father. Hold your tongue, Victoria. Abel, hey, what's that? What's gone dead? So he is asking that, his father is asking that, who had been dead? So Mr. Sclatter, Victoria says, she is sorry about your head. So Abel, oh, thank you, Victory, but I am fearing bitter. So here they thought that his father has been died, but he is alright, he is okay. Bell, why Ben, why you are mourning, why you are crying and listening is nothing but, so here who came? Elizabeth, John and Ben. So they both came, no? So that's why. And Alimnia and Henry, little Vicky. Who dead? Who gone dead? It's someone in the family. So here he is asking to. So the father is asking to his two daughters and two son-in-law, who was died in the family. Mr. Sclatter, no one, you know, father, a relation of Ben. So here saying no one is died in our family. So it's the relation of Ben's. Bell. And what relation of Ben's? So who died? What is the relation to Ben's? He's asking. His father is asking. Mrs. Clatters, his brother Ben. Damn it! I never had one. Well, dear, and what was his name? Ben. So here his father is asking to his son-in-law, what is the name of the person who is related to you who died? Ben. So Mr. Sclatter, Frederick, Mr. John, Albert, Ben, Fred, Ebba, Isaac. So here Abel, Isaac. Where did your brother Isaac died? Ben, in Australia. So here my brother name is Isaac. He died in Australia. Abel, well, I suppose you have only been waiting for me to begin a tea. I am feeling hungry. So here his father is saying that, you are both are sitting. We are waiting for me. So that's why I came now. So let me gain a tea. Let me have a tea together. So I am also feeling hungry. Mr. Sclatter, I will make a tea. Abel, come along now. Sit you down and let me jolly. So Bell sits at the head of the table facing spectators. So here the father is considered as the head of the family. So he is sitting in a high chair and he is looking after all the family members, daughters and son-in-laws and grandchildren. Abel, suddenly recollecting, Amelia and Henry, what the devil did you make by shifting my bureau out of my bedroom? Henry and Mr. Clatters are speechless. Did you hear me, Henry? Amelia. So here, Helmi and Alimnia. So here, they are thinking that his father has been died. So that's why they had replaced in his father's room, new ones are replaced by old ones. So they brought the bureau downside of the room. They thought that it as belongs to them only. So here his father suddenly he wake up and he came down the floor, and while he was taking a cup of tea, he saw that his new slippers were not there, and his bureau clock, everything has been replaced new one as a old one. So he is asking to hear his daughter and son-in-law, Amelia and Henry. Mr. Jordan, what bureau was that, father? So his another son-in-law is asking, what is the bureau that, father? Abel, why my bureau? The one I brought. So here he is saying that that is my bureau, I brought it. Mr. Jordan, was it the one, father? Abel, yeah, that's it. What's it's going there here? So here, this is my new bureau. I brought it. So here, it in my room. It is there in upside. Now when I slept, when I wake up, the bureau is down in the down floor in the room. So why does it has been replaced from first floor to down? He's asking. Draft me if that's it's not my clock too. What's the devil being going on in this house? So here, why such things are replaced as new ones are changed to as old ones? Old ones are shifted to the new ones. When? Well, I will be hanged. Mr. Jordan, I will tell you what's been going on this house, father. Nothing short about robbery. So robbery is nothing but taking, thieves. So here they are stealing all the things from you. Mr. Sclatter, be quiet, Elizabeth. So here she is scolding to his elder sister. So Elizabeth, Mr. Jordan, I will not be quiet. Oh, I will call you it double-faced. Here double-faced is nothing but cheating. So here Jordan, Mrs. Jordan is saying that you both Henry and Amelia are cheating to their father. Henry, now Elizabeth, Mr. Jordan, and you too. Are you such a poor creature that you must be every dirty things she tells you? So here Alumnia, he is scolding to Mr. Jordan that whatever the silly things, always you are speaking dirty things and telling lies. Abel, dump it all. Will someone tell me what's been going on? So here, what is the reason why both the sister Amelia and Elizabeth are quarreling each other? Mr. Jordan, yes, I will not see you robbed. So here Jordan is ready to tell the whole story, what had happened in this house. So here, Abel, who's been robbing me? So who has been stealing my things? Mr. Jordan, Emilia and Henry, they have stolen your clock, bureau and slippers. So he is asking that, Jordan is saying that, father, Henry and Amelia, they both have stolen all the things from you. They snaked is nothing but entered. They entered into your room like thieves in the night and stole them after you were dead. So here they stole in the night time all the things from your room, and they thought that you had been died. Henry and Mr. Sclatter, hush, quiet, Elizabeth. So here they are saying that to Jordan to keep some quiet. Mr. Jordan, I will be not stopped after you were dead, I say. So here they only informed me that you had been died. So Abel, after who was dead? Mr. Jordan, you only. So here he is saying to his Jordan is asking that they said that our father has been expired, died. Abel, but I am not dead. Mr. Jordan, no, but they thought you were. So here they thought that you have been died. Abel, oh, such that's why you are all in the black today. You thought I was dead. he catches that was a big mistake. So here Abel, so when Abel saw Amelia and Henry, Victoria, they all wear in black in color dress. So that's why they wear black when something happened sadly. So at that time they wear black colors. So that's why here the Amelia and Victoria. So the three members wear black in uniform. Mr. Sclatter, Father Abel, it did not take you long to start driving my things between you. I will tell you I am going to do. Since your mother died, I have lived a part of time with you, Amelia, and part with you, Lizzie. Well, I shall make a new will, leaving all my bits of things to whoever I am living with when I will die. Now, does the strikes you, Mr. Jordan? You know, Father, it's quite me. You come to live with us. We would make you very comfortable. So here, the father is saying that I will prepare one will. So here he is saying to prepare one will. In that whatever the father's property, so he wanted to divide it into, he want to make it into two shares, that for elder daughter and for younger daughter. But now he realized, so when your mother has been died, so I stayed some years for elder daughter and some years I stayed for the youngest daughter. But now I decide that who will take care of me, then only I will give all my belongings to them only. Mrs. Clutter, no, he had not been with us as long as he was with you. So here Jordan is saying that Father, you come along with us, so we will take care of you. So Mr. Sclatter is there. So you had stayed so many years at there, now you should stay with us. So here Mr. Jordan, I may be wrong, but I did not think Father was fancy like living on with you after what had happened today. So here Jordan did not ready to leave his father in Henry's home. So they wanted to take his father-in-law to their homes. Abel, it seems to me that neither of you has any cause to feel proud about the way you have treated me. So here both the daughters did not treated his father properly. Mr. Sclatter, if I have done anything wrong, I am sorry. I am sure I am sorry for it. So here Mr. Sclatter is saying, Mr. Sclatter and Henry, they are saying that sorry for that what they had did. Mr. Jordan, and I can't say more than the two. Abel, it's a bit late to say it now. Neither of you care to put up with me. So here father was disappointed by both of his daughters. So he thought to decide themselves. Mr. Sclatter and Jordan, no father, Abel. You say that because of that what I had told you about leaving my money, well, since you don't want me, I will go to someone that does. So here his father is changed his decision. So he wanted to give the properties to whom he loved them. So Ben, come. Mr. Merriweather, you have got to live with one of your daughters. So here Ben is saying to choose any one daughter, that to whole life you have to stay with that daughter. So Ben, I will tell you what I have got to do. On Monday I have got to do 3 things. I have got to go to the lawyer and after my will, and I have got to do the insurance office and pay my premium, and I have got to the St. Pepil Church and get married. So here on Monday, so his father wanted to do three things. One is he wanted to go to meet the lawyer and he want to make a will, and second one he want to go to the life insurance to pay his premium, and third one he want to visit St. Philip's Church and get married. So Benny and Henry, what? Mr. Jordan, getting married. So here Mr. Sclatter, he is out of his sense. Abel, I am saying I am going to get married. So here his father wanted to go do married. So Mr. Whom to? Abel, to Mr. John Stalker, who's keeping the ringing bells. We have had it fixed up a good well now, but I am keeping it for a pleasant surprise. I felt it was a bit of burden to you, so I found someone who would think it a pleasure to look after me. We shall be very glad to see you at the ceremony. He gets to the door. Till Monday, then 12 o'clock at St. Church. It was the good thing you brought the bureau downstairs, Elnia. It will be handed to carry it across to the Ringo Bells on Monday. He goes out. The curtain falls. So, ikkada Henry, వాళ్ళ father. So, here father is nothing but Bell Merriweather. So, ఇతని father. సో ఎక్కువ డ్రింక్ చేసి పండుకుంటాడు. అప్పుడు పండుకునేసరికి ఎలిమినియా అండ్ హెన్రీ స్క్లాటర్ వీళ్ళిద్దరూ ఏమనుకుంటారు, వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ చనిపోయింది అనుకొని వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, ఫాదర్ దగ్గర ఉన్న న్యూ స్లిప్పర్స్, క్లాక్, డ్రెస్సింగ్ టేబుల్, బ్యూరో అవన్నీ వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ రూమ్ నుంచి తీసుకొచ్చి కింద పెట్టుకొని, సో వాళ్ళ అక్కకి ఎలిజబెత్, బెన్ జార్డన్కి ఏమంటారు, ఇవన్నీ కొత్తవి మేము కొనుక్కున్నాం, ఫాదర్ అయితే చనిపోయాడు, ఫాదర్ రూమ్లో ఉండే అన్ని పాత వస్తువులు, సో ఫస్ట్ మనం ఆ లిస్ట్ చేసుకొని దాని తర్వాత డివైడ్ చేసుకుందాం అని అంటాం. సో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, సడన్గా హిస్ గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్, సో విక్టోరియా గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్ ఎలిజబెత్ పైనుంచి ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్ నుంచి కిందికి వస్తాడు. అప్పుడు చూడగానే ఏమవుతుంది, సో ఇదేంటి కొత్త వస్తువులు అన్నీ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి, మీరు ఎందుకు వచ్చిందంటే ఏంటి, వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్తారు, బెన్ వాళ్ళ రిలేషన్స్ చనిపోయినరు, అందుకే వచ్చినాం, చూడడానికి వచ్చినాం అని చెప్తారు. హూ ఈజ్ ద రిలేషన్ మీన్స్ హీ సెడ్ దట్ ఇజాక్, సో ఎక్కడ ఉంటాడు అతను అంటే ఆస్ట్రేలియాలో ఉంటారని చెప్తారు. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ విక్టోరియా ఆమె ఏమంటుంది, లేదు తాతయ్య మీరే చనిపోయిన అనుకున్నారా అని చెప్తుంది. సో హియర్ ఈ బ్యూరో, ఈ క్లాక్, ఈ స్లిప్పర్స్ అన్నీ కొత్త కదా, పైనుంచి ఎందుకు తీసుకొచ్చినో, అసలు ఇంట్లో ఏం జరుగుతుంది చెప్పండి అంటే, సో ఇక్కడ జార్డన్ ఏమంటాడు, మీరు చనిపోయిన అనుకొని వీళ్ళందరూ ఏం చేసిండ్రు, కొత్త ఉన్న మీ వస్తువులు, మీ రూమ్లో ఉన్న అన్ని వస్తువులు తీసుకొచ్చి కింద పెట్టేసిండ్రు, ఇది వాళ్ళవే అంటున్నారంటే, సో హీస్ ఫాదర్ ఆయన ఏమవుతారు, రియలైజ్ అవుతాడు, ఆహా 2 డాటర్స్ ఉన్నారు కానీ నేను ఎలా ఉన్నా అది చూస్తలేరు, వాళ్ళు నా ప్రాపర్టీ చూస్తున్నారు కదా, సో నేను మండే రోజు 3 థింగ్స్ చేస్తా అంటాడు. ఏంటి, ఒకటేమో లాయర్ దగ్గర వెళ్ళి విల్ ఏదైతే ఇస్తా అనుకున్నాడో, షేర్ డివైడ్ చేసిండో అది క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తా అనుకుంటాడు. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటిది, ఎల్ఐసి ప్రీమియం కట్టేస్తా అంటాడు. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటిది, మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకుంటా అంటాడు. సో ఎవరిని మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకుంటావు అంటే ఏమంటాడు, సో సెంట్ ఫ్రాన్సిస్ చర్చ్లో నా పెళ్ళి ఉంది 12 o'clockకి, మీరందరూ రండి అని అంటాడు. సో ఇంకొకటి ఏంటిది, ఎవరిని మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకుంటావు అంటే జాన్ స్టాకర్. సో ఈమె జాన్ స్టాకర్ ఏం చేస్తా అంటే ఆమె ఒక రెస్టారెంట్ని నడిపిస్తుంది. సో ఆమెని నేను మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకుంటా, సో ఆమె నన్ను బాగా చూసుకుంటుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు నన్ను డివైడ్ చేసుకున్నారు కదా, కొన్ని రోజులు పెద్ద కూతురు దగ్గర ఉన్నా, కొన్ని రోజులు చిన్న కూతురు దగ్గర ఉన్నా, ఇప్పటి నుంచి నేను ఎవరి దగ్గర ఉండా, సో నేనే ఒక మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకొని నేనే ఈ ఇంటి నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోతా, నన్ను ఎవరైతే చూసుకుంటారో వాళ్ళకే నా ప్రాపర్టీ మొత్తం ఇచ్చేస్తా అని చెప్తాడు. సో అతను ఏమంటాడు, ఇంకొకటి వెళ్ళే ముందు ఏమంటాడు, సో నేను ఒక ఏజ్డ్ పర్సన్ కదా, పైనుంచి సామాన్ అంతా కిందికి రావడానికి చాలా కష్టం అవుతుండే, సో హెన్రీ, అల్యూమినియా మీరిద్దరు కలిసి నా సామాన్ని కిందికి తీసుకొచ్చిండ్రు, సో మండే 12 తర్వాత నా మ్యారేజ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఈ సామాన్ మొత్తం తీసుకొని రింగ్ ఓ బెల్కి వెళ్తా. అంటే ఏంటి, అతని ఫర్నిచర్స్ మొత్తం అతని ఐటమ్స్ అన్నీ షిఫ్ట్ ఎక్కడ ఒక రెస్టారెంట్లో వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు కాబట్టి అక్కడికి షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తా అంటాడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.